Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today with an interesting gadget, which is a pocket guitar.
I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And we are back. So I would say that this is not a virtual guitar, but a virtual, I'm not really sure of the technical name of this, something pick, I'm not really sure, but... And the first thing is the audio is awesome, not only because of the device itself, the app, but also the phone, which has a really nice audio. And let's take a look here at the software. It's easy to use. They've got the pocket drum and also the pocket guitar, which is the one that I'm using right over here. We can add several devices. As you can see, I only have one device connected right over here in purple. And if I click here, I can go to the free play. Or I can go to this one here, which has only two musics or songs. There is a Chinese version of the software which has a lot more songs, but if I go here, it will give me like a guide, so I can press the C and then just follow, and then G. Okay, so if you ask me, Robert, did you ever played any instrument? Yes, I did when I was younger, but not guitar, because I did and I never did enough effort to learn anything positive. I love to see, I love to hear music, well, to see people playing and to hear music, but I don't know how to play. Now, in terms of this, it's a really nice gadget, and it has, as you can see right over here, some variations. So this one right over here is one of the... Let's just disconnect it. Oh no, I did forget to put the accord. Yeah. One thing that is really nice is that it vibrates. I can feel the guitar string. And for someone that knows how to play, you can actually use this left hand as the left arm of the guitar, and then just... And we can select different variations right over here. Basically, are chords. So really interesting concept, and the thing that I noticed more is the vibration. It's really nice, and if we do it now, we will get used to it. Really, really interesting. Of course, for someone that knows how to play guitar, probably it will do something interesting. For someone that doesn't, like myself, then there are two ways. Either learn, I'm not really sure if this is the best way to learn. This is something that it's discussable, but I'll show you another variation right over here. And the last one. And that is it. Guys, my feedback is simple. The idea is really interesting. There's also the drums. I'm not really sure how they work, but that is the idea, that we can play music without having an instrument, and that is a cool idea. If we get it or not, I'm really sure that there are people more capable of testing this device than I am. I find it really funny to use. The sound is great. The touch feedback that we have in terms of the vibration of the device is really, really nice. And that is it. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I will leave the link down below so that you guys can check it out if it's interesting or not, and I'll see you on the next one.